How's it? How's it, brothers? How's it, my brothers? My brothers? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Guys, smash that like button as you come here. Just make sure you smash the like button. We here to give you some some Black Friday, some Black Friday. You call it Black Friday reviews. How's it, Naeem, my brother? How are you? I think I haven't seen you in a long time. Guys, smash the like button. Oh, flip. I almost forgot. Just, just for that. How's it, everybody? How are you guys doing? Yo, any case, I'm, I'm thinking now something very quickly. Is there anybody? Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters. I'm trying to figure out something. Uh, uh, any case, I'm sitting here with earphones, man, because um, good afternoon, brothers and sisters. How's it, guys? How's it, guys? You know what? It's almost December. Where we are moving into December, right? We're moving into December also. Um, so that's something. Your goal is stretched today. I have actually not. Well, I think I was gonna take a trade on GU today, but then I don't know what happened. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about to you guys, right? With the daily and the full hour, you know. So I was gonna take that buy on gold. If you just give me a second, guys. Any case, any case. So yeah. No, I was on a call, guys. Was on a call through the watch. Was on a call. That's why you couldn't hear me. Yeah. So if you look at the GBP USD, so if you guys watch the video I did now the other day, there's a good example of what I'm talking about, right? If you go on the daily time frame, and then you go on the 4 hour time frame, right? It's the same situation. You follow the same price action. Because I was actually gonna buy it, but I was a little bit of contradicting because the market was also trading below that structure also. But you see, the thing is like this now. YouTube has wanted to strike me almost twice for for making videos along those lines. So yeah. So I just need to be very mindful in the way propose that type of videos when I do make them, because they do come across as, but it's weird though, because if you look at FXLXG, right, or not just FXLXG, if you look at a lot of these guys, a lot of these guys, they make that, but okay, I've just taken some very good advice from what went on. The greetings this week was really not nice. No trading yesterday and today. I was, like I said, I was gonna take this buy on GU today, but uh, I don't. I mean, you're gonna take a trade on a Friday, uh, get overnight swaps, and then a gap on Monday, and imagine it's a gap in the wrong direction. Then you sit with a triple problem. So you sit with a, you sit with a wrong direction, a gap against you, and you have swaps that you paid for also. So you've got all the things that you need to account for. I haven't traded this whole month. That's good. The Because if you think about it, right? If you're not trading, you can't lose any money. So at least there's there's a there's a little bit of a positive to that. But other than that, the Nasdaq's climbing, but the Nasdaq usually climbs, with when we go through festive periods. But I also think that the Nasdaq got a lot of people on the people who trade lines, because a lot of people thought, if you look at the Nasdaq there, right, you'll see there the Nasdaq was trending, and then right there where it rejected there, a lot of people probably thought that the Nasdaq was going to go lower again because it's been hitting the trend lines, and then the market just rejected that, and then it went right through. Now I don't trade trend lines. It's not a way for me to trade, but it's a good confluence to want to look at when you want to trade the opposite, when you are looking to trade the opposite, especially with the Nasdaq definitely looking up to trading. Is GEU nice, or is it only gold that is? I do not. You see, the thing about gold is I don't trade gold because gold is very expensive to trade. I'm currently trading $100,000 account, so it's also very bad time. The timing is a little bit out, but I will see what I can do. We'll see what happens in the market. But it is festive season, unfortunately, and you know what happens through festive. It's normally not the best for currencies. But we'll see. There's a lot of news taking place throughout December. You know, there's a lot of news taking place in December. So there's about 1 week, 2, 3, lots of news coming through. First time trading December, all the markets will move the same. I'm not sure what you mean with the same, but I don't think there's I think every year, depending on what happens, unless there's a natural disaster or something, something happens to drive the market from a fundamental perspective in a different direction. Has anyone sent an email? Yep, there's already, we had four people. Four people. We've given out two of the accounts, waiting for feedback on the other two. So it's good to see that's on the move. So please expose Namcas he fled to South Africa now after. I think I made a video on that guy. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I did. I'm not sure if I made a video about him or if I saw a video about him or if I saw him. You know, I just need to share. Yeah, I made a video about him about a month ago. Go boy. No, it's not him. No, Namcast. Then it must be information. Let me just see here quickly. Namcast. Yeah, here's it. What's Forex signals? Oh, this was 2022. No, we'll definitely have a look in there. No problem. But yeah, I do think that you know uh, you know the dollar. It's gonna be a very interesting. If you the higher you go on the time frames, the more you see the more confusing the price action gets on the index. If you look at the monthly, you'll see it's bearish, and also the it's also trading sideways. If you go on the weekly, you will see that it's trading above the price, and it's been bullish for so far. If you go on the daily time frame, you will see the price is it's a big miss. But in any case, yeah. So I think will it be trading in December? No, I don't trade in December. The thing is, I'm already taking a break from a lot of things now already. Um, so but if there's opportunity in the market, then by all means. I mean, we do have a lot of news events coming through December, high impact news events for the dollar index. So yeah, I mean, if I'm not gonna do that, then I'll have nothing else to do unless I make a YouTube video. You said I didn't make a video yesterday, and I'm not gonna make a video today, and will probably make a video tomorrow. But the idea is to kind of slow down a bit now, because we are moving into that period where you know we where I want to just trade a little bit more than what I make videos. You see, and I think that's kind of what happens throughout December, where you are just what is this for actually? This have you guys ever seen will you be so have you guys ever seen these events? Nomination starts from at least I can see categories browsers nomination starts. No, like why would you invite somebody to get to say that you are nominated? Like, how do you nominate somebody as best forex influencer or best YouTube trading influencer, best technical analysis influencer of the year? And how do you nominate somebody like that and they must pay? Firstly, why do I care about being nominated for anything? You know, why would I care? I am still trying to rank number one on GTA Online race series. You think I care about best influencer? Influencer for what? You know, I have time for stuff like this. You know, this you leave for people who care about looking good, looking cool. I don't care about looking good. I don't care about, I don't care about stuff like that. So, but in any case, so that's kind of the vibes um, in that regard. So I'm also looking to get better hardware. I really don't know why I made yes. You know what? No, um, trying to really add more work onto the video editing side, but hmm, this laptop, you know, this laptop is het gee my plak, man. You know, it's so slow. But I've learned something. With my MacBook, everything was fast. Yeah, with this thing, it's everything is a little bit slow. So, but I've learned that if you buy a laptop, don't buy a laptop with integrated graphics if you're gonna use it. If you're gonna use it for like for what I wanted to use it for, right? Like for editing, right? Don't buy a laptop with integrated graphics if you're gonna use it just for editing. Just buy a laptop with dedicated GPU. That's the only way that you're gonna make it in this universe as far as um, editing videos are concerned. So you will realize that if you export, so like on the Mac that I had, if you export, right? Uh, if you export, things go very good. You see, what's this happening? Uh, Let me just put in the charger. You see, if you exporting content in 4K or in like in 4K, it takes a long time to do so. You see, if you do any edits, like cutting, like trying to cut out the video, uh, like cutting out the background. It will take like an hour, no, not an hour, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You know, so if you are ever in the market to buy a laptop, do yourself a favor. First ask yourself, what am I using it for? And once you've established what you are using it for, that's when you decide. You know, that is when you must. That is the time where you must decide. Uh, yeah. So I will probably change it by tonight. I'm confused. What's going on here? Uh, yeah. So that is it, my good friends. That is it. That is it. Okay. Any case, guys, let me shoot. Let me shoot quickly. I will get back to you guys. Uh, tomorrow. Probably do another couple of giveaways in tomorrow's video. I just want to see what's going on here. You see, I get quickly distracted. But I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for yours. Where's this thing now?